And as we wrap this edition of Trending Stocks, let's listen to what the management of Puravankara had to tell NDTV Profit exclusively in terms of the fine print and the numbers and the roadmap for growth ahead. Let's listen in.
I want to first understand the key aspect because of which the market is really positive is the average selling price improved by 12% on a year-on-year basis. And of course, your volumes, GDV have also shown very good additions. So what are the key highlights of the business update that you're giving for this particular quarter?
Thank you very much for having me here, Nisha. As you rightly put it out, our sales have improved, and compared to the same quarter of the last year, we have gone up by around 17% to 1,414 crore rupees, which we have done well. And our collections has shown improvement quarter over quarter, where we have reached around 1,140 crore rupees of collection, and so that's fantastic. And also that in our burn rate has gone up. That is the construction. We have spent around 8% more in every quarter. So that's also reflecting in our collections. So overall, it's been a fantastic quarter, even though that I wish we had another couple of launches coming over, but we had one launch and it has received a reasonably good response from the customers. So overall, it's been a very good quarter in every which way we look at it. And most importantly, that this has paved way for the next quarter, wherein the approvals have further progressed in terms of the movement within the ranks of the government offices. And I'm pretty sure that the next quarter that we will have more launches coming into the fore, as we had projected in the beginning of the year that we're going to have 7 launches or 8 launches in Bangalore and 1 in Coimbatore and 1 in Cochin, and they are all in order. So most of them we should be able to launch within this quarter, or some of them may slip to the next quarter, but nevertheless, it is all in good shape.
Right. So, Mallanna, you are quite an outlier in the sector today with the stock performing so well, but real estate as a sector and the real estate index is one of the key draggers in the overall market, which is still buoyant. Now, I wanted to understand when you clock in these kind of sales and your future projection with the new launches is also looking very positive. What are the factors which really aided to the sales volume growth as well as better pricing in this particular quarter?
Just the fundamentals of the business, following the fundamentals of the business, that is that operationally that we have become very efficient, and the teams have come together in terms of your sales, marketing, and the engineering, design. And if you see that all disciplines of the business is working well, and that's been our key for transformation in maybe this year, the entire year, what you're seeing.